What's up, YouTube? What's good, broskis and sisters? Welcome back to our reaction channel. And if this is your first time, let me officially welcome you on here. Over here, we react to funny comedy clips. We basically just want to have a nice time, chill, laugh, and be on some positive vibe. We don't do too much over here, you feel me? Today, we are continuing with the Rizz videos, man. If you didn't see our last video, make sure to go check that one out. It's about Rizz. And if you don't got Rizz, if you cannot pull girls, make sure to check out this video and send this video to your friends who basically can't pull girls, who don't got game and who don't have Rizz. Make sure to learn one or two things from this video so you can, you can implement that to your day-to-day life while talking to girls and whatnot, you feel me? But we're not gonna waste any much time. Let's get straight into the video. Just before we get into the video, guys, do not forget we're on our way to 1,000 subscribers. We're currently at 470. Make sure to subscribe and join the family, join the gang. All right, let's go.
Hey, how you doing?
Hello, how are you?
Go NLE.
What's your name?
Great.
Grace, nice to meet you, Grace.
What did you say your name was?
My name Bryson. Call me NLE. You extremely beautiful. How you doing? You said your name Grace?
Yeah.
Good gracious.
Good gracious.
Grace. Hey. What's my name? What's my name?
And she forgot.
You just forgot it already?
That's crazy.
Don't do that. Bryson. Yeah.
Go, Daddy.
Hey. You wanna know my nickname? Daddy.
Hey, you know what's crazy, bro? I've seen this video before. I swear I didn't actually know it was Sky who gave him the assist to say daddy, and he just used it and he converted that real quick. That's crazy. Wait, I didn't know it was Sky saying that, bro.
Don't do that. Bryson. Yeah.
Go, Daddy.
Hey. You wanna know my nickname? Daddy. Daddy.
You see what he did there? Kai said, call me daddy. And Nelly didn't just say, call me daddy. He had to play on it. I don't know what my nickname is. That's crazy, man. That's like an assist and a goal right there. That's crazy.
Can I hear you say it?
Every dude needs someone like that in their life. Every dude need an assist god in their life. Every guy.
Ah, maar ik ben moslim, die kan. Sorry. Sorry.
Wait, what the hell just happened? Bro made the sign of the cross and sis was like, nah, I'm not feeling it. I'm Muslim. You gotta go. Damn, shorty.
Ah, maar ik ben moslim, die kan. Sorry. Sorry.
Damn, that's crazy. You see how religion divides us? Just because he made that sign, she's like, I'm a Muslim, you can't do that. So you can. So if he's not a Muslim, you're okay with that. But if he's not a Muslim, you're okay. But so long he doesn't have to be a Christian. That's just fucked up, bro. That's just fucked up, bro. That's just fucked up, bro.
Assalamu alaikum.
That's my G. That's my G, bro. Hey, where I'm from, we usually say you gotta learn from people's mistakes. That's all our parents. They will show us someone who made a mistake and be like, you don't want to end up like that person type shit. So yeah, man, bro did not want to end up like the previous dude. So he just went assalamu alaikum, even though he's not a Muslim. Oh man, that's crazy.
You know where the men's section is, by any
We don't
chance?
do men's section in the store anymore,
No way.
but we do online though.
I'll be so honest, I already knew that. I thought you were absolutely beautiful.
Oh, thank you so much.
What's your name?
My name's Roz.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Can I get your number? I know you're working. But...
Yeah, I'm so sorry. I have got a boyfriend.
You've got a
but
boyfriend?
I have, but thank you so much.
Alright, take it as a compliment.
Thank you.
Take care. Have a good day.
Does this still count as Rizz if she says she has a boyfriend and you walk away without getting her socials or her number? Is that still considered like a Rizz? Did you still Rizz that up though? If you didn't get her number and stuff, you'll tell me. I don't know. Yeah, many men don't do that no more. So when you see a man who does that, you gotta like applaud him and let him know you did the right thing, broski. Yeah, we're gonna applaud that one.
I thought about it. I'll do it, but like, what's in it for me? What do you mean?
Wait, it reminded me of the podcast between what's her name, Bobby Altoff, something like that, and Drake. when she asked Drake, I forgot how she asked Drake. I think she said I think she asked Drake to rate her. I'm not quite sure. And Drake said, Drake looked at her and said, I'll do it. Bro, that was the most funniest thing I've ever heard, bro. Rate me out of 10. I'll do it. Bro, that's crazy, bro.
What are we doing?
We talked about this yesterday. You wanted me to like, what do you mean?
What did I want? Tell me.
Why are you acting like all like, I know, it's because, I'm sorry, is it because she's here now and like you don't want to like,
I know, right?
damn, now she's getting shy and shit? That's crazy. All right, well, we can just keep this personal between us. I'll just get your number since you're obviously like a shy and private person and you don't want her like handling, knowing our business. Here you go. You remember my name, right? Julian?
Definitely, yeah.
That's smooth. That's smooth as fuck, bro.
Okay, I'm sorry. You took my
That's
breath
smooth.
away. I'm sorry.
I was waiting for that line.
You do that a lot to guys out here?
No, I just,
Okay.
it seemed like a line.
Well, it's not a line. I actually have asthma.
Okay.
And like whenever I see like a really like attractive girl, like especially with white toes, like I can't breathe. But what is your name?
My name is Hannah.
Julian.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Well, can I get your number maybe and like hit you up?
I'm only here for a few more days, but
That's cool. All right, what is it?
573.
She's only here for a few more days. That's like that. I mean, you should know. If you like, come on now, you should know. Like, broski, like, do your thing. I'm only here for a few more days. I know how that sounds like in my ears. It sounds like music to my ears, bruh.
Excuse me. Are you single? Yeah. Can I have your number?
Sure.
Thank you. What's your
For a
name?
video? Good.
Yeah. What's your name?
Nick.
Nice to meet you. Yeah.
What's your name?
Megan. Nice to meet you.
So are you from Tampa?
Yeah.
That is not even Rizz, bruh. That is not even Rizz. Like, are you single? What's your name? Can I have your number? That is not even Rizz, bruh. The thing is, for girls, it's just like guys over 6 feet. It's easy. It's easy. I mean, unless you're ugly. If you're a girl and you're ugly, yeah. But if you're a girl, just be a girl and be fine. Just be fine. Unless the guy got a girlfriend and he got morals, he will turn you down. But otherwise, it's a win. It's a W. You feel me? For guys, you gotta be heavy pocketed. Like you gotta have like a huge sum of money in the bank account, or you gotta be at least a little over 6 feet type shit. But yeah, that's not Rizz, bro.
Born and raised.
Same. You go to college? When do you graduate?
2024.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so you young.
How old are you?
How old do you think I
I'm
am?
21. You're probably 23, 24.
22. Would you say that W Rizz?
W Rizz?
That's not even the Rizz, bro. She didn't do nothing. She just.
Which one of these is your girlfriend?
None of them.
I'm
My
his sister.
I'm trying to see what's up with your sister, bro. We gotta go on a double date. You with
Yeah.
her best friend, and then me with your sister type shit. So we like this, me and you. You know what I'm saying?
You got yourself a deal.
Sister, how old are you? How old are you?
I'm 20.
Draw me your Instagram. That's all I need from you.
That's an assist right there. Maybe bro never had a chance with his sister's friend, but that guy just gave him an assist right there. That's how you do it. Easy. Now you got a chance with the sister's best friend. That's crazy, bro.
I ain't mean to interrupt your conversation. I just want to say what's up to you. What's your name? Cheyenne. What's up? I'm at you, man. You got soft hands too, by the way. Why you smiling so hard? You get nervous even? You don't? You're looking a little nervous right now. But no, you do look good. That's why I came to say what's up to you. Where you from?
I'm from LA.
LA? I ain't never been to LA. You think you could take me? Why not?
You gotta take me over there.
I'll take you.
Okay.
So that means we can both go together.
Yeah.
Do you have a boyfriend? That's perfect for me, right?
You want it to be.
Tell me I can get your number. Stop smiling.
You cheesy. You don't see yourself?
I'm smiling because you look good.
Okay.
So Can I get your number?
I don't do numbers. I give my Instagram.
Your Instagram?
Yeah.
I bet. Let me put it in your phone. This it right here.
You gotta follow me back right now.
Why wouldn't I follow you back?
Good.
I want to come over here to talk to you for no reason. It was nice
She
meeting you.
cute.
Have a good one.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Simple as that.
That is a 6 fit Rizz right there. We got see, I swear we need to classify Rizz. Like for guys, you gotta be like 6 feet and above Rizz. Money Rizz. What else we got? What else do ladies like? They got 6 feet Rizz. We got cash, like money Rizz. Probably a funny Rizz, because I know they love like funny dudes, a dude who can make them laugh and shit. So like a funny Rizz. I think girls like a bit of awkwardness in guys. I don't know. Some girls fancy that. That's weird. Yeah, I don't know. I think we like 3 Rizz: 6 feet, money, and be funny. Or just be yourself. I don't know, bro. You might be yourself and you end up taking an L. It's crazy out here, broskies. Damn.
Yo, mom. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, I'm really nervous. There's this girl in front of
Seen
me.
this video before.
And she's really pretty. I don't know how to ask. Mom, don't call me up. No, don't hang up. Don't hang up. All right, hold on. Excuse me? I'm not gonna lie, you're fine. You think I get your number? All right, bet. You almost fell for me, or what?
That was a good one.
You gotta be thick.
What'd you tell your mom?
You gotta be
Oh, I
quick with
told her
it.
you're really beautiful. You know?
You gotta be fast with it.
Her one day.
Quick question. What's your name? I'm not gonna lie to you. I had a crush on you for like the last 10 seconds. Really? Yeah, your eyes are green. I love it. Where are you from?
I'm from, like, originally.
Yeah.
I'm from New York.
New York.
I
Hell
go to
yeah.
school here.
Okay. I'm from Virginia, so a little close by. Are you single?
I am.
Can I grab your number?
She's thinking. Oh, okay. She thought about it for a few seconds.
You like you been to Chuck E. Cheese?
I have been.
But like the adult version, Dave and Buster's?
I have.
Okay. Well, we can go there for our first date. Oh,
I
you
ring
got it? Okay. Awesome. New York. Hell yeah. Well, Adriana?
Adriana.
All right. Well,
Your name?
Eric. Your hands are really soft, by the way.
Soft?
Soft. What's your secret? Cocoa butter?
They're not soft.
No, they're pretty soft. All right. I love you. Bye.
Okay, I think
Excuse me?
I might keep that one for myself. I swear. Even if the palm is as hard as rock, I'll just be like, your hands are extra soft today. How you do it?
What's your name? I'm Eric. Nice to meet you. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Another
I don't
one?
waste your time, but I had a crush on you for like the last 5 seconds or so. Yeah. You smell so good, by the way. It's like what?
You smell me?
Well, yeah, from here, the aroma kind of wafted towards me. Kind of weird, but just being honest.
Thank you, Aaron.
I'm going that way, but is it cool if I grab your number?
Sure.
Awesome.
2 for
Where are you from
2.
originally?
New York.
New York.
New York.
You?
Virginia. Bing bong. Yeah, is that what they say?
No.
You look,
Okay,
like
that's
a party.
awkward.
Party hardy? No? What do you like to do for fun?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Pretty much.
Okay. Wait, I have to know what perfume. I just know a lot about perfume because I've
I
had
didn't
one.
put on perfume today.
No? Well, it smells spectacular. Okay.
It's my sweat.
All right. I love it. I love you, all right? Bye.
Yeah. It's my sweat, bro. What the hell? Damn, Eric go-to move is I've had a crush on you for the past 5 seconds. That's crazy, bro. Yeah, man. At least it got 2 for 2. That's crazy, man. Okay, man. I hope y'all enjoyed these Rizz videos, man. If you ain't got no Rizz, make sure you might pull an Eric on someone and be like, I've had a crush on you for the past 10 seconds. You smell good. Your hands are soft. Type shit, you know. Just be original. And you gotta be 6 feet tall, my guy. Or at least you gotta have some bands type shit. All right, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, broskies and sisters. I'll see you guys in the next video, and we are out. Before we go, make sure to like, subscribe to the channel. We are on our way to 1,000 subscribers. I can't wait to get to 1,000 subscribers, bro. I don't know what I would do. I probably won't do much, because 1,000 is like, okay, boom, we are here now. Now we gotta go even farther. We gotta go there type shit. You feel me? All right, man. Have a lovely weekend. Probably this might come out on the weekend. I don't know, but have a whenever you see this video, just have a nice day, a nice morning, a nice evening, and I hope you have the have a perfect day. And I'll see you guys in the next video. We out.